And we got Honey feeding Jerry with the big balls. Jerry with the big balls. You don't want nobody to see her? You don't want nobody to see her?
Happy birthday to you.
Where y'all going? Where you going?
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking.
I don't know why we're always so obsessed with cats when we find them for my mom. But we're gonna pick something out for my mom, guys. Let's see. This is the menu.
I'm gonna get the crab, the snow crab, and the shrimp.
Just go watch. I'll be back at the room. About to take a nap.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Then see what the ship got to offer when we wait. They didn't have red velvet today, but it's okay. This will do. This will do. We back, y'all. So this is what we got. Salad, chicken, beef, fried rice. Honey got meat and salad and mashed potatoes. I got me some water, cause girl, let me try this fried rice. It's a little hard. I done gave Honey the good machine. About to go snorkeling.
And I have done all the dumb and stupid stuff that you should not do, just to test out how bad it could potentially be. Okay.
Good morning. Me and Honey a little bit scared.
I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. No.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, you first.
Kasih ada yang lebih dari song killer. Berjalan raga untuk cari song killer. Mainkan gitar sertuk breaking raga masing berikan suasana fresh dari Bali. Berangkat dari street tentang argumen berdali.
It's a video. Thank you. Me and Honey about to get a golf cart and explore the island. This is the fits. This is the fits.
I love you.
Can she get a discount?
Okay, it's $150. The discount is $60 for you guys.
Period. Thank you.
No, it's $150.
$150. Y'all get a big discount.
You got a big
It's free?
discount.
$150. Español.
You gonna give it back?
Español.
No.
Where the keys at?
I'm African American.
Oh,
Julie gotta come and look for you.
we from Newark.
No.
Yeah. Oh, player. Go ahead. Go ahead. We racing. We racing. Go. car. Go ahead.
Pull off. Just pull off.
This drive. This drive.
Probably like $20 more up.
Straight. I can't even call my new man because I don't know what he said with his little burnt lips. Honey said ain't nobody about to steal our car because on TikTok somebody stole a girl car. He said she
go fast as I split around him. He better stop playing.
no.
Alright, and this corner, go in this.
Okay, make a left. Okay, thank you. Oh, this the place. This is where I get the car from. All right, where we gonna park our G-Rod at? Right here?
She's a good driver, baby.
She's doing good. She's doing good.
Don't move, see?
I'm not. I got my foot on the brake.
Okay, what's your name?
Hold this. Key.
Key. Guess who I am? Lock.
Lock?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
I'm Lock.
You lock for real?
Where you from?
New Jersey. You know what New Jersey is? You heard of New
I
Jersey?
used to be in Dover.
Oh, that's like the suburbs. That's where the white people are. We from Newark. You know what Newark is?
Yeah, I used to be. I tell
Now
you.
you ladies,
You know?
come, give it some gas.
Yeah, with this terrible reverse. You strong. Let's go. Use those muscles.
Look at our boat, y'all. Y'all can see our boat from here.
Oh, we outside. Oh, they got our friend.
Y'all, we got lost.
What's that, grabber?
Oh, it's only one road in Bimini.
Oh yeah, PJ. I forgot.
You want to smoke from this side?
I mean, I thought
We can smoke on the beach. It's not illegal.
smoke on the beach. You
You-
smoke anywhere around here.
You chilling with us?
I was going in the bar.
What a bird.
There's a little bar, isn't it?
Wait, take us to the bar so we can know where it's at.
Happy birthday, sister!
Julian is his brother.
Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees.
I said that he was like go-kart, but we do got those. My
Girl, honey driving that shit like it's a go-kart.
Girl,
Look how ashy he is.
look at my feet there because they've been stepping on.
Honey all bruised up.
Girl, I don't feel that. Okay, y'all, I thought she was gonna start talking. Just answer his question, cause I don't do the talking.
No.
You know, I don't do the talking. I don't talk. I just sit there. Hey.
We already made our friends. That's from the boat. That's it. They got a real job. They got shit to lose. We fuck with the ones from the boat. Everybody else.
And then
And Locke was standing right there and he still ain't paid for my motherfucking food. So, I bet he didn't know we was gonna run it up $48.
we would have bought if it was.
Y'all already eat?
We already paid. We ain't eat
Pay
yet.
for what?
My food.
I told you not to pay.
No, I was not about to walk away from
Oh my God, you're
Miss
not
Lady's
listening.
door
You see, listen,
without
sit
my.
down.
Just say cheese.
Hold up.
Cheese.
Okay.
I wasn't about to let you drive.
See that seem right? Going down the hill on that right. I'm gonna take that left and just stay straight. Don't
Get
take
to
no
the bottom of the
corners.
hill, make a right, stay
Take
straight.
no corners. Don't take no. You're going left. This way.
Oh, a left. This
He
check
only
was
charged us $60. He
$60.
said
Fuck that, you
$150.
guys good?
How much is it?
Sometimes they tell
We from Bimmy, y'all. We from Bimmy now. They gonna be like, where you from? We gonna be like Bimmy, Bahamas.
Is it even recorded? Like,
Yup. And I got
Y'all, so we back. We going back.
one.
I take it to Pound Town.
Nigga, no. We was whipping this shit. We was whipping
We was whipping it.
Y'all reversed them, not word. It make a crazy sound.
Look.
Watch me put it in reverse.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Stop, really stop.
Stop.
You know what that means? You know which one's
You better stop for 919 pull you over.
That's what I press. That's the shift.
So why did we have to? We shouldn't have to press that.
No, y'all didn't have to, but I said from the front if it wasn't
Y'all
doing.
little gear don't work. Y'all need to put some oil on it.
That's reverse.
Look at the twins, y'all. Look at the twins.
That's how we is, twins. Hey, you know why I don't like to take girls' Instagram? Because every time I message, they don't answer.
Oh, poor baby.
Don't mind me.
Oh. Yo, we made it back. We had the best time. We are coming back. And y'all better not start coming here, because that's our friends. Better not. We had so much fun. We ain't had time to change our clothes.
I just put my skirt back on.
We had so much fun. We didn't even change. We didn't even eat our food.
Yeah, we didn't have time. They was talking all day.
Girl, when I tell y'all, we had the best. We had so between the chicken. All right, this is what we got. So we got crack conch that I have not tried with French fries, and then chicken tenders with ranch. I don't know what this is.
That's tartar sauce and ketchup, I think, for your fritters.
Okay, and then we got these.
I took a bite.
We did not want to come back. I don't think nobody had this much motherfucking fun in Bimini. Do you hear me? And we recorded they. Yo, this shit was a vibe.
It's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe.
Anyway, we about to take our food out on deck. Fuck them white people.
I'm about to get it.
Can I have a, honey just gave me a hug because she said she had so much fun.
Yeah, y'all just get her one. Give her another one for the camera. I enjoyed my 2-day Miami stay, even though it's 2 days. I enjoyed myself. I don't know how, but we had a good.
Mind you, but I'm having a blast. And then we just had the best time in Bimini.
They warned us about Nassau.
Yo, Bimini got some fun. Girl, I'm getting my Bimini Adventure Boy is gonna be mad because them niggas that was at that bar with the turban. And the nigga with the beard and the glasses, he looked like that rapper. Yo, I can't wait to come back. I just want to come back. Fuck it, leave my passport at home. I'm going to do these bitches now. So I'm going to get one of them niggas to get me supplies. I'm already, but we about to do a review. And we couldn't really review it because we was having too much of a lit time to even stop and eat. I was not about to stop and eat. I was trying to enjoy every moment because we had such a blast. Okay, so this is some sauce, right? And come with it. I think this is tartar sauce. And this is like ranch or something. And then this is the fritters. And then it's sweet plantains back there. And I forgot what I think I just said barbecue wings. I already ate it. This, and it was a 10 out of 10. Seriously, a 10 out of 10. Sauce is still a 10 out of 10. It tastes just like a crab cake. When I say I have nothing to complain about, nada. Zilch, nada. We had the best time ever. I'm so sad we had to leave. Like, devastated. I'm devastated we had to leave. I'm traumatized. This is horrible. This is the definition of you meet your friends for life. It was amazing. Anyway, let me try to bring to y'all. Plantain bussin', conch bussin'. Girl, it's still crunchy. Oh, look at my little tan. I'm glowing. So, we on a boat right now, and no lie, we can feel it moving. Like, this, what, the 4th day? No, this the 3rd. Tomorrow's the 5th day. Right? We got on the boat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today's Thursday, 4th day. So, today is the 4th day, and no lie, this junk is moving. Like, it's like swinging, like. But we about to try to catch the magic show. Hopefully they started a little late because nobody got off the boat today. And tomorrow is Nassau, Bahamas. Honey trying to figure out how to wear her shirt.
He told me how to wear it.
See, look, that's cute, like that. And if you want, I can tuck the back for you. That's cute.
video and you take pictures.
It's my birthday.
This is next.
It felt a little cringy.
Yeah.
This is our last breakfast. And we out of here tomorrow. What is this? I don't know. It was from that champagne last night. And my girl in the whole wide world. My fave. This is an aquarium. Do you
Now listen, you see it say half hour, right?
Yeah.
What time y'all both leave?
like 4:30?
You bring.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boat safety is very important. Let me first welcome you aboard Sandollar 3. Captain Loxley is at the back. Wave Captain Loxley, so you see who he is. All right, I'll be assisting him as his mate today as we head over to the island. Life jackets are all located down in a storage area in here. The boat is registered for 60 passengers, as you can see right here. In the event of an emergency, if I take out a life vest and give it to you, simply just put it over the head. They are foam, so there's no blowing up. Put it over the head, strap around the waist. Wait for further instructions.
It's a little sketchy. Look how skinny this island is. Look. Here and here. You just walk from one side to the other.
And we got Honey Feet and Jerry with the big balls. Jerry with the big balls. You don't want nobody to see her? You don't want nobody to see her?
What's this one name?
What? This is Quest and Bob. Quest and Bob. That's the two twins.
Bob, you're here.
If you look close to Ginger's nose, Ginger has a heart-shaped nose.
Oh, that's Ginger?
Yeah, that's Ginger.
Name her Ice Spice.
Ginger, come here.
Come here, Spice.
Letting over when the water's so blue.
For how long? You grew up here? For real? Why you sound American though? Oh, you do have an accent. You know, y'all sound like y'all from Ireland. Huh?
We went to Florida Keys too.
Y'all, like people over here, y'all sound like y'all from England. It's like England and Caribbean. It sound like Ireland. Like, y'all sound like y'all from Ireland.
Most of them just like horses.
Oh, no, cause
If you hear any of the Indians, yeah.
they sound. I'm like. Gotta come back. We sad again. We don't want to leave. Take us to Philly. Yo, we making our way back to the ships. It's 4:16, 4:17. We gotta be back on the boat at 4:30. Hopefully we don't be them people on TikTok where they be like, women holds up ship. Like, cause we gotta walk around all these ships. But we got it. Yo, we is trucking it. Did you hear me?
Yo, my toes keep sliding to the front of my slippers.
That's why I brought my little strap on, because you could have worn a pink one today. Yo, we trucking. Why they ain't got no carts running today? But, yo, we is moving. We got 9 minutes now. The ship's right here. But we are the 4th ship. Well, but we can't be the only one, so I'm not too worried about that. I just don't want people looking over the balcony at us on TikTok. We almost there, y'all. We gotta clear this and turn. We got about 8 more minutes left. We almost there. We almost there. We got 6 more minutes. We not even over there. Look at them, yo. We not even on there. We on this one. My plastic shoes. We almost there.
Look at the 2 girls that we was with. They right there. They going on that summit.
So got our friends on the boat with the other lady. There she go, y'all. She coming. She coming. Is there anybody else? Another man. Y'all know we have to bring back some food off the island, like we always do. Got some barbecue chicken, baked chicken, don't know what type of rice, corn, cabbage. $25. I ain't gonna lie, being on the island is a lot cheaper than anything else. Y'all, it's departure time. We gotta go home. But first, I'm gonna try to take. Well, I am. I'm not gonna try because everything been amazing about this trip. It's been effortlessly done. No hiccups. Thank you, God. However, last hurrah would be taking Honey to Bistro Cafe. And yeah, hopefully we get a seat inside so she can see the beautiful tree that's in here. And it's no wait. And then we could eat, and then we could take our butts to the airport. Our flight leaves at 2 o'clock, lands at 5. Hopefully there's no layover because we are definitely ready to get home. This was a wonderful experience though. Next cruise, we gonna go ghetto and get on Carnival because this was a lot of whites. But they was cool. I just heard a lot of, oh my God, they go to girls, the cool here, the cool here, the cool here. But other than that, yeah. So we gonna see y'all at Bistro, okay? Clip me for $300.
Don't come to celebrity.
They clip me. Ooh, I am crispy. Look at this mayhem, y'all. It's like mad people. Uber is 20 minutes away. We trying to make it to Bistro Cafe, get a quick breakfast, and then make our way to the airport. If it's this many people at the terminal, it's gonna be this many people at the airport. So. Yo, so I got pulled over because my tripod stick. He pulled it out like, this is stuffy stick. We like, yeah. Then it seemed like this whole trip, people just be staring. They just be looking, like, and I don't know why. And then honey just tripped.
Because everybody looking at me.
Like them over there. Jesus Christ, like, but it took us 2 hours to get to this point, y'all.
Cruise no more. Like, nice hat.
She was a black lady. Like, then she thought we came down here to get our hair and nails. Like, sir, Miss Lady, we came like this. You hear me? We can get the red velvet.
We can get rainbow.
Can we get both?
Yeah.
Cause I'm gonna eat it.
Cause I'm gonna eat it.
You ready? I had two motherfucking cups. Yo, if this cake is nasty, I'm gonna be convinced like that. Past a certain point of America, they don't make good desserts. But he from Jersey. He got a store in Hoboken.
They did. Well, for the most part.
Pay my card.
Thank you, Carlos.
Authorizing.
Period. Because I do not want to have to struggle with getting this out. Oh. Look at us getting cake. Cake out the kiosk. This is so smart. Wow. Can we put some press-ons in? You know how many girls will buy this? I ain't seen no cake fall on me.
Yes, it did. Get it.
I only get one.
It's gonna do one at a time.
Why are you talking so
It's doing one at a time because you acting so slow.
Everybody think you always. This ain't completed with. Everybody think you always got an attitude. Y'all, she act like this ain't my first time using a cake kiosk.
It's my first time too, but that actually don't have it clear. Get your cake.
That's your cake. Look, y'all, we got some cake. The only thing this is missing is a fork or a spoon taped to it. That would have been clutch. Look. In this case. I already spelled my name. Hello, Casa. It's you. I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. I will never leave you again. Room, I missed you.